you might make a position in Enphase, start buying again. This is the kind of stuff you want to start seeing, seeing these bottoming patterns right here where the composite index finds support on a moving average while it's turning up, while price is going lower. This is some kind of a basing pattern right here, and it's on major support. So the question is, this is a C wave. It looks like a diagonal pattern. There's your third wave, and we had the fourth wave go up too high in order to, it didn't continue in a vertical fashion, which tells me this is a diagonal. And what that means is that either this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. So this is either the bottom or this is your third wave. And you're going to get a fourth wave retrace followed by one more low. And so what I like to do when trying to build a position, and this is the count that I have, I mean, really, Enphase has been in a correction since November of 2021. And you got to think about it. The market's, the Nasdaq's up 40 and Enphase is down 50 something, so it's kind of not correlated. It's correlated to other things. We've been talking about this for a long time, but we're probably going to take a stab at this level right here. If we get a 3-wave bounce that kind of fails up here, you can either sell and wait for the next drop, but we'll probably hang on and then really buy on that 5th wave drop right there, because we're getting what we think is a very quality company at a depressed price.